Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to restore Chrome tabs. If you've accidentally closed a single tab, a quick keyboard shortcut can bring it right back. For Windows users, press Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Mac users should use Command plus Shift plus T. This instantly reopens your last closed tab. You can repeat this to restore multiple tabs in the order they were closed. It's a super handy trick for those quick recoveries. Sometimes you might close Chrome entirely or it might crash, leaving you with many open tabs lost. Don't worry, you can restore your entire previous session. Go to the three-dot menu in the top right corner, hover over History, and then select History again. On the left sidebar, you'll see an option to restore previous session. Clicking this will bring back all the tabs you had opened before. What if you closed a tab a while ago and the previous methods don't work? Your browsing history is your best friend. Open the three-dot menu, go to History, and then History again. Here, you can scroll through your past browsing or use the search bar to find specific websites or pages you visited. Once found, just click the link to reopen that tab. For better tab management, consider pinning important tabs. Right-click a tab and select Pin. Pinned tabs are smaller and stay on the left, preventing accidental closure. Also, try using tab groups to organize your workspace, especially if you have many tabs open for different projects. It keeps your browser tidy and efficient. And speaking of efficiency, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home cleaning game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.